Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Codeblock IDE on your Windows 10 operating system for developing C or C++ programs. So first of all, open your browser and search for Codeblock, and in here the first link which will appear here will be codeblock.org. So just click this link and then just click on download tab here, and then in here you have three options in which you can just click on download the binary release, and then in here you will see some more options. So first option, which is Codeblock 17.12, which is the latest version at the time of making this video, and another will be Codeblock 17.12 MinGw setup. Now first you need to understand what is MinGw. MinGw is a compiler which you are going to use to compile your C or C++ programs. If you download and install only Codeblock, then you have to install MinGw separately, and then you may have a problem in compiling a program. It's better to have download and install Codeblock with MinGw compiler, so you don't need to install any extra software. Okay, so we are going to use option with MinGw compiler, and then just click sourceforget.net. When you click this website links, it's going to download this codebox executable file on your Windows 10 operating system. I have already downloaded this file, so I don't need to download this, but you need to download this executable file. Once the file is downloaded, then just double click on this executable file and then just click yes. Now the installation of Codeblock IDE is start. Now you just need to click next here, and then if you agree with the license term condition, then say I agree. In here the default location of Codeblock IDE to install, you can change the destination folder location by clicking the browser button. I leave it as it is, then just click on install. You can see here installation process is running, so wait for the installation process to complete. So now the installation of Codeblock is completed, and it will ask you if you want to run Codeblock now or not. So just click yes, and then click next and click finish. Now you can see here Codeblock IDE start itself, and in here you will see the compiler auto detection window for the first time when you run your Codeblock IDE, and you can see GNU GCC compiler is automatically detected. Now we install Codeblock IDE with MinGw, that's why it's detecting your MinGw compiler or GNU GCC compiler. So just click OK here. Now your Codeblock IDE has been started. It will show you some kind of warning here. You just need to click OK. Now we are going to create our first project in C. So go to the file, then click project. In here you can see different kinds of project you can make in Codeblock IDE. We just want to make a console applications, so just choose console application and click go, and click next, and then choose C, and then give name of your project, for example hello world, and then give the path where you want to save your project, and then click next and leave everything as default and click on finish. So now your project is created, you can see over here. Now open source folder, and you can see here main.c file. You can see Codeblock already create a sample hello world project or program. First save your project for compiling. Once you save your project, you just need to click build option and choose build, or you can click over here this yellow icon, and in here build log you can see I have successfully built or compiled my project, and it's zero error and zero warning. Okay, after compile your project you need to run it, so just go to build and click on run, or just go over here and click on this green play icon. So just click on it, and now my project is running. It show me hello world. You can also create a single file instead of creating project. For that you can go to file and click empty file. Okay, so in this way you can download and install Codeblock IDE on your Windows 10 operating system for creating C or C++ program. Thank you.